Hello everyone, I am Ruchi. Welcome to Recon. I love to teach mathematics, the fun game of numbers. Today I will teach you coordinate geometry for class 10th CBSE. In, in class 9th, we have studied how to locate the position of a point on plane. We require a pair of coordinate axes. Distance of a point from y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa. Distance from a point from x-axis is called its y-coordinate or ordinate. We have also learnt the graph of linear equation of type ax plus by plus c equal to 0 where both a and b are not 0. We have seen the graph of y equal to ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal to 0 is a parabola. In fact, coordinate geometry help us to study geometry using algebra and understand algebra with the help of geometry. That's why coordinate geometry is widely applied in various fields such as engineering, physics, navigation, and art. In this chapter, we shall learn the method of finding distance between two points whose coordinates are given, and second, the coordinate of a point which divides the line segment into a given ratio. So let's first find distance between two points. Suppose there are 2 points. This one is P and Q. The coordinates are P are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को जोड़ दिया. Draw PR and Q as perpendicular to x-axis. P R and Q as perpendicular to x-axis PS. A perpendicular from point A on QX is drawn to meet at a point T. This one. This is point T. PT is perpendicular to QXS. Then OR equal to x1 and OS equal to x2. So RS equal to x2 minus x1 and this is RS also equal to PT. Also SQ equal to y2 and ST equal to PR, which is also PR or RP equal to y1. So QT equal to QS minus TS. So this is equal to y2 minus y1. Now applying the Pythagoras theorem, in triangle PTQ, we get what we get? PQ square equal to PT square plus QT square. Now substitute the value of PT and QT. So PT equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus QT equal to y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore PQ equal to under the root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? So we can say that distance between 2 points when coordinates are given equal to this pq equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and this is called as distance formula, which is called the distance formula. Distance formula. Now अब इस पे बेस्ड हम एग्जाम्पल करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल नंबर फर्स्ट. द वर्टाइसेस ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल आर ए 5 and minus 2, B 6 and 4, and C 7 and minus 2. Which type of triangle is ABC? So we find which type of triangle ABC. First we find AB. So AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 means 6 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So y1 is minus 2, so minus plus 2 whole square. This units, so this is equal to under root 1 plus 6 whole square 36. So this is equal to under root 37 units. Now next BC. BC equal to under root 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square units. This is equal to 1 plus 6 minus 6 whole square equal to 36. So this is also under root 37 units. And AC. AC equal to under root 7 minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 plus 2 whole square. And this is equal to under root 2 whole square plus 0 equal to 2 units. As we can see that in this case AB equal to BC, दोनों ही under root 37 हैं. So therefore we can say that ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. क्लियर? क्योंकि दो साइड्स इक्वल हैं, दो साइड इक्वल वाला ट्राइंगल क्या कहलाता है? आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. एग्जाम्पल नंबर सेकेंड. शो दैट द पॉइंट A 1 and 2, B 0 and 5, and C 2 and minus 1 are collinear. तो इसको कोलिनियस बताने के लिए सबसे पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे AB. सो AB इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 0 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square units, and this is equal to 1 plus 9, and it is अंडर रूट 10 यूनिट्स. वही फॉर्मूला लगाया है x2 माइनस अंडर रूट x2 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट BC इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 2 माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 1 माइनस 5 होल स्क्वायर यूनिट्स इक्वल टू 2 का होल स्क्वायर 4 एंड माइनस 6 का होल स्क्वायर 36. So this is equal to under root 40 units. Next CA equal to under root 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 whole square equal to under root 1 plus 9 equal to root 10. ये हमने सब कैलकुलेट कर लिया. नाउ AB प्लस CA इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 10 प्लस रूट 10 इक्वल टू 2 रूट 10. और इस रूट टू को अगर हम इस 2 को अगर रूट के अंदर ले लें तो हम इसको 4 लिखेंगे. 4 इंटू 10, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू रूट 40 यूनिट्स. एंड रूट 40 इक्वल टू BC. So we can say hence here hence the points A, B, C are collinear and A lies between B and C. Now question number 3. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the point 2, -5 and -2, 9. Let's start. The coordinate of any point P on the x-axis are x0, which is equidistant from these 2 points. So let our points are Q 2 and 5 and R -2, 9 be the given points. Therefore PQ square equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 0 plus 5 whole square, and this is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25, or x square minus 4x plus 29. And PR square equal to x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81 equal to x square plus 4x plus 85. And we are given that PQ equal to PR, because both points are equidistant from point P. So therefore we can say PQ square equal to PR square. So this is our equation number 1, this is 2 and third. So from 1, 2 and 3 we get x square minus 4x plus 29 equal to x square plus 4x plus 85. So x square minus 4x plus 29 equal to x square plus 4x plus 85. x square से x square कैंसिल हो गया और फोर एक्स minus 4x minus 4x equal to 85 minus 29, or minus 8x equal to 56 or x equal to minus 56 upon 8 or x equal to minus 7. Hence, the required point is minus 7 and 0. So this is our required point. क्योंकि ये x एक्सिस पर है तो y कोऑर्डिनेट तो 0 ही होगा, तो हमारे पास रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट क्या हो गया, minus 7 and 0. Now example number 4th. Find the value of k if the point P 0 and 2 is equidistant from the point 3 and k and 5. Let A and B be the points 3 and k and k5 respectively. And this is given as point P 0 and 2 is equidistant from the points A 3 and k and B k and 5. So therefore therefore PA equal to PB or PA square equal to PB square. Or what is PA? PA equal to 3 minus 0 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square equal to PB square equal to k minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square, or 9 plus k square minus 4k plus 4 equal to k square plus 9. k स्क्वायर से k स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया, 9 से 9 कैंसिल हो गया, और माइनस 4k इक्वल टू माइनस 4, माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल, और k इक्वल टू 4/4 और k इक्वल टू 1. So this is our answer, k equal to 1. Now we find section formula. Consider any 2 points A and B. Suppose this point is A and this is point B, and coordinate of A is x1, y1 and B x2, y2. इन दोनों को हमने ज्वाइन कर लिया and assume that there is a point P whose coordinate are x and y, divides AB internally in the ratio m1 is to m2. That is PA upon PB equal to m1 upon m2. Means AP equal to m1 and PB equal to m2. Now draw AR, PS and BT perpendicular to x-axis. AR, PS and BT. So BT. These are perpendicular to the x-axis. Draw PQ and PC parallel to x-axis. AQ, So this is A and Q. AQ is parallel to x-axis and PC. So this is PC. Also parallel to x-axis. ये हमने बना लिया. Okay. Now by AA similarity criteria, triangle PAQ similar to triangle BPC. Therefore PA upon BP equal to QA upon CP equal to PQ upon BC. जब ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होते हैं तो ये रेशोज इक्वल होते हैं, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के रेशोज इक्वल होते हैं. नाउ AQ इक्वल टू x माइनस x1, x minus x1. PC equal to, and this is equal to RS also. PC equal to x2 minus x equal to ST. ST के बराबर होगा PC. PC equal to ST होगा. Again PQ equal to, ये हमारे पास होगा PQ इक्वल टू हो जाएगा PS माइनस QS. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू Y माइनस Y1 एंड BC इक्वल टू BT माइनस CT इक्वल टू Y2 माइनस Y2 minus Y. Now substituting these values in equation 1. This is our equation 1. So PA upon PB equal to M1 M2 and AQ equal to x minus x1 upon PC equal to x2 minus x equal to PQ equal to y minus y1 and BC equal to y2 minus y. ये सारी वैल्यूज हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी. नाउ टेकिंग m1 upon m2 equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x. जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे सो वी गेट x इक्वल टू m1 x2 प्लस m1 x1 m2 x1 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. Similarly taking m1 upon m2 equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y, we get y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So we can say that the coordinate of the point P x y which divides a line segment joining the point A x1 x2 x1 y1 and B x2 y2 internally in the ratio m1 in the ratio m1 is to m2 are क्या कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे उनके आर m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So this is known as section formula. क्लियर? तो ये हमारे पास सेक्शन फॉर्मूला आ गया. नाउ देयर आर स्पेशल केस. फर्स्ट वन, if the ratio in which P divides AB is k is to 1, then the coordinates of the point P will be क्या हो जाएंगे? m1 इसमें k हो जाएगा और m2 1 हो जाएगा. तो इस केस में k x2 प्लस x1 अपॉन k प्लस 1, k y2 प्लस y1 अपॉन k प्लस 1, इस तरह से हो जाएगा. एंड सेकेंड केस इफ the ratio in which P is the midpoint. P is the midpoint of a line segment AB, then the coordinates of point P will be, उस केस में क्या होगा? क्योंकि m1 m2 1:1 हो जाएगा, तो m1 भी 1 एंड m2 भी 1. उस केस में कोऑर्डिनेट आ जाएगा x1 प्लस x2 अपॉन 2 एंड y1 प्लस y2 अपॉन 2. सो इस केस में हमारे पास ये P पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 5. फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट विच डिवाइड्स द जॉइन of the point -1 and 7 and 4 and -3 in the ratio 2:3. Solution. Let the given points be A -1 and 7 -1 and 7 and B 4 and -3. Let P x y divides AB in ratio 2:3. Then x इक्वल टू, फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे वही m1 x2 प्लस m2 x1 अपॉन m1 m2, x इक्वल टू 2 × 4 प्लस 3 × -1 अपॉन 2 प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 8 - 3 अपॉन 5 इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 5 इक्वल टू 1 एंड y इक्वल टू m1 y2 प्लस m2 y1 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2, 2 × -3 प्लस 3 × 7 अपॉन 2 प्लस 3 इक्वल टू -6 प्लस 21 अपॉन 5 इक्वल टू 15 अपॉन 5 इक्वल टू 3. Hence 1 and 3 is the required point. Example number 6. Find the midpoint of AB where A and B are the point -5, 11 and 7, 3 respectively. Let B x y be the midpoint of AB. Therefore, when we find midpoint, then coordinates are x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y coordinate equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So, x equal to -5 plus 7 by 2 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1, or y equal to 11 plus 3 upon 2 equal to 14 upon 2 equal to 7. Hence, required midpoint is 1, 7. Example number 7th. Prove that the centroid of triangle ABC with vertices A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So, suppose this is our triangle A, B and C, and coordinate of A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. Let D be the midpoint of side AB. So, D is our midpoint. Therefore, coordinates of D are x2 plus x3 upon 2 and y2 plus y3 upon 2. Because D is our midpoint, so coordinate are x2 plus x3 upon 2 and y2 plus y3 upon 2. Now let G be the centroid of triangle ABC. AD को मिलाएंगे and centroid कहाँ आएगा? This is G. G is a centroid. We know that we know that centroid G divides the median. This is AD is called median. The median AD in the ratio of 2:1. So this is 2 and this 2:1. Therefore, coordinate of GR 2:1 में इसको डिवाइड करता है AD को, तो हम फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 m2 and m1y2 plus m2 y1 upon x1 m1 plus m2. So 2 into x2 plus x3 upon 2 plus 1 into x1 upon 2 plus 1 and 2 into y2 plus y3 upon 2 plus 1 into y1 upon 2 plus 1. 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा यहाँ पे और we get x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y1 plus y2 y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Hence proved. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you have any problem or doubts related to this topic, please comment below. I will try to respond to each one of your questions. I will be uploading next video soon. Once again, please like my video and hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.